Hi, my name is Christopher. I'm just going to show you how you can get a link, which is a sign up link, and be able to share it with someone who wants to join the business. This is how you go about it. First of all, log into your Juice Plus account. This is my address, so you log into yours. And once you are inside, look for the tab which says franchise. Okay, so you click on franchise. And then you now come and look for the tab which says business model. Under business model, there are two tabs. There's business model itself and franchise sign up, franchise partner sign up. So this is the one that we want. So you just click on it like that. Then you have a new page open which says franchise partner sign up. So under this page, if you scroll down, you see the sign up form, right? This is the form that whoever is going to join is going to fill in. It's got different stages all the way. So in order for you to send this page, you have to send the link, which is this one here on top, right? So just highlight that link on top, right click, copy, and take that link, paste it into Messenger or into email, WhatsApp, or whichever method you want to send. Basically, that's how you go about it. If you have any question, don't hesitate to get back to me. This is Christopher signing out. Thank you. Bye.